Oh, of course it would.
What was that question? Do people want to watch you walk around the shop with a camera running for 40 minutes straight, or you lead it down to only like 5 or 10 minute increments?
No.
I'll have to get a comment page on that.
Yep, send in your comments.
Do you like the sightseeing feature, or do you just the working feature? What am I doing?
You are tapping. Oh my God, it went all the way through.
Oil leak. It will leak oil too.
Of course.
Because now you have an open hole between the two motor cases. When the oil level gets that high, it'll leak into the train.
And that's bad.
Yes. So don't run your oil that high. Look at this. Filthy shit. Someone made a garbage can. Maybe about 5% maybe. But that's 5% I'd have to clean up. It appears that there's some threads in there now.
Yep.
Fred, you told me you have a quarter drive ratchet?
One more time?
Quarter drive ratchet.
Quarter drive ratchet? Yeah, you want it?
Yeah, I need one.
Quarter drive ratchet. I shall burn it. It's pretty cool. I got one identical to this at the house. Like I'm.
I just need the ratchet, I need everything.
Well,
It'll work. Okay, so you have to push the helicoil down to get to go in the first thread, and this is your rotation device. And we're hoping this whole helicoil goes in, otherwise we'll have a problem. So we'll stop right there. Over here, see where the helicoil's at.
Yeah, it's way up there.
So it appears we have plenty of room to put the whole helicoil in there. So now you know how long of a bolt you can put in here.
A long one.
It might not strip out again if you use 3/4 inch of thread in here. It'll also keep this housing from breaking too. This happens every now and then. You want to make sure you go deep enough you get a good bite into that. So the helicoil has to dig into the thread to keep it coming out. So now we have a nice long, super hardened stainless steel thread in there. So now you gotta take your screwdriver and pop it. This one's a little bit small, but it should get the job done. Yeah, maybe not.
There you go.
Make sure you find your tang.
Yep, you don't want that running around the engine.
No, that'd be a bad thing in your motor. So, now it's, how far do you know this are? It's in there a good 1/8 inch, 3/16 below the case surface. So you have to worry about the helicoil hitting the flywheel that's in here, turning around.
Okay.
Okay, so that one's done. We need to get the wrench for this so we can see if there's any threads in there so we can fix it now instead of later. You'll give me a big wrench to go in there.
Okay.
That's the biggest screwdriver bit in the toolkit you just walked by. Yeah, tools. Okay, so you're done with the big one.
Yep.
Watch out for those crappy cases on the floor.
Yep, these ones right here.
Yeah, actually you see you tripped on the shovel head one, not the knucklehead one. I couldn't find that because it's buried in the early helicoils over here. That's not my wrench. Socket driver, big one.
Alright.
I hate them stupid L wrenches.
Alright.
That's what they make ratchets for and big stuff. Okay.
So yeah, the socket.
So all these other holes look good, you think?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Positive?
Yep.
So if they're stripped, it's your fault?
Yep.
Did you clean them out yet?
Yep.
With what?
Air.
Air. Okay, well, see how they're all fixed already. I'm going to go ahead and fix this one too while we're at it. Well, he's got a length there I can get to now.
There you go.
Look at that. I should be able to get all the way up on this one.
Aaron wasn't the length that I mean.
It appears that that's a little bit stiff.
Could have just left it.
Don't bring it.
And if it's stripped out and you got to fix it later,
You're fucked. Already messed up.
that's it. There you go.
Not too bad.
Plug looks fine.
Yeah, plug looks not bad.
Plug's good.
Cool.
That's the case we don't know about yet.
The blood.
There's one more thing you did not clean. Okay, it appears there are still some threads in there.
So Tatro.
But the first thread is gone, so we ripped it out already. See, that's all gone.
Yeah, that's what happened on my old cases.
So you gotta make sure you got a plug that goes way in there, not just partially in there.
Here, Walker, here's your plug. Don't put it in your...
See how this case has been screwed up there? The first thread's gone.
Yeah, you can see right there.
Oh, shit.
But still the first couple threads on the plug here, so we're okay. See, it's a big gap in there.
Oh, okay.
There's almost room to put like an O-ring in there.
Huh. You might want to do that.
Nope.
Okay, we're not. Are we using this plug again?
You talk to the boss.
Yeah, fuck it. Or do you have a cooler one? Do you have a clear one so I can always see my timing?
We have that too. We had that rusty half chrome acorn that too, remember?
Oh, yeah.
That was custom. That was half custom.
So here, this is yours.
Okay,
Yeah, put it back in the junk file.
paper.
What?
Put that in your pocket.
Timken bearings.
What about
The inner Timken bearing has to be pulled off to put the new ones on the main shaft.
you left it together before you took it apart?
You were supposed to take it apart.
No, I rebuilt it. I didn't take it apart.
Okay, so this one? Which one? It's got to be a clam.
A clam? You got clams?
Oh.
Better than having crabs. I'll be here all week.
The big one on top works the best, but it's the hardest. You gotta do more shit to get to it.
I know. That's a nice.
It's heavy too. You almost ripped it off the wall. No, not that piece. That's the wrong piece. That's the driver's thing.
This is the top piece.
The socket goes with it. It's part of the ensemble.
I told him. What did I say? Oh yeah. Thank you.
Okay. We'll have to show how to use that tool. Meantime, I'm gonna helicoil something.
You want me to wait for you?
I don't care. I'm working.
You want me to go over there?
I'm over here, Red.
Yep.
See, this is where we left off the last time. Keep getting interrupted. See how thin it is now for sealing?
Yeah.
Real thin. That's the problem with helicoiling these. This hole is really close to the edge.
And that's potential for cracking and shit.
There's potential for leakage. It leaks out that bolt. That smells sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Look how many threads are in there.
Tons.
I'll make sure we get every last one. We might need that last one. Half. Almost 7/8. That's like 13/16 of a turn extra. That was worth the extra 2 minutes of work. You might need that. Because if you were short that much on that helicoil we're going to put in there, you'd get a pain in the ass to fix.
Yeah, it would.
So you spend the time now, make sure you get it all the way to the bottom of that. And you blow all the chips out of it so you can use it to the bottom. Yep, there appears to be no chips in the bottom of the hole. Wipe that off. Okay, we're going to use those ones or we're going to use this one?
Whichever ones you think are better.
Yeah, you want ones that are only that long?
Let's use one big one.
Or you want one that's that long?
One big one.
How many threads you got? Got enough of that?
Yeah, should be enough.
Appears to be the last one. Better not screw it up.
Good luck.
Somebody else may be filling a stock.
Bearing pulled off.
That's a different tool than you used last time, so what's going on with that?
This is called a winder.
Oh, okay.
Guess what you call a winder?
What is it? Because it tightens it up?
Winds the helicoil up. So now it's shrunk, so it goes in the hole easy. Of course, it didn't work. Operator error. Mario's fault.
You need to stop messing up with my bike, man. You keep on breaking stuff when you're on the other side of the shop.
See how it goes in there now? If you're lucky, it doesn't stop before you get the last one in.
So we got the good little bite.
The end's right there. So right up close to the edge of that hole.
Mm-hmm.
There it goes, this far. Wow, a little over 1/8 of a turn. So now it should be over here where there's more thicker material.
Mm-hmm.
So I won't pull up the case with it. This one has a different, see this is a military kit.
Ooh.
This has a special braking bit piece, see that? Goes in there.
Nice.
It appears to be the right size, but it's in the kit, so it must be the right one, right?
Should be.
Maybe not.
Where'd it go?
It's in the bottom of the hole. It's near the bottom of the hole. Just break it out. Where's it at? It's off.
There it is. Oh, we got it somewhere.
It's cut up underneath the helical. The hole's right, just right below it. So
Oh, yeah.
there's like a lip in there. That means we're close. Good thing we got that extra 3/4 of a turn in there almost. Okay, so now it's helical, and you can pull the case flat. And now that bolt we got that was way too short now.
Yeah.
Now there's threads for it to dig a hole of. And we made that extra long bolt, and there's probably enough for that extra long bolt. So we'll put that extra long one in there. 'Cause we can,
Nice.
we can go in there that deep.
There you go. It's not going to come apart ever.
'Cause that's not a factory bolt we have in your bike now.
Nope. Custom.
It is custom. Okay, so what do we miss on this case?
I think that's it. We just had those two on this one, and then we have one on the one over there.
So we do a quick once over, double check, make sure you got everything.
Everything looks good.
We haven't done your drain plugs yet.
No, we did not.
This drain plug hole looks like it's been modified already. So it appears that you can probably run a stock drain plug in this one. This is what, a 73?
Mm-hmm.
This should be a quarter thread in here, so it's got a fine, so it's probably bigger than stock. Someone's probably made it into a 9/16 already.
Gotcha.
Half 13 is stock, that's what those other ones are all stripped to look like. You can go to an oversized 9/16 fine thread oil pan plug out of a car. Not the metric one, the oil 9/16. Fix them. That's one way you fix those. Okay, it appears this one here is good, so you can have this one. Take it out of here, get rid of it, move on.